So this is a little demonstration of my Kindemann direct replacement caps for the stainless steel development tanks. It'll fit the Kindemann, the Taiwanese, Japanese, and Hong Kong knockoffs. And as everybody knows, tanks leak. Even this one is not bad, but some of them they just always leak. Break, crack, shrink over time. So my direct replacements are leak-free. The lid is leak-free. The cap is leak-free. To apply it, turn it at an angle when you add your developer. It allows the water to push the air out. Allows your developer to push the air out. Apply your cap. These tanks are leak-free and strong. I don't recommend that you agitate that way. I do recommend you hold the lid firmly when you do your agitations. I'm just doing this for demonstration to show you how strong these caps are and that they're absolutely leak-free. And these are available at the link below.